Okay guys, today's video is a review of the periodic table of elements and how it's arranged and what all we can find from it. Most periodic tables will come with a key that will allow you to understand a lot of things. We realize that our solids, which are here, are clear or white, our liquids will be in blue, and gases will be in the violet color, and artificially prepared ones that are man-made are in yellow. Also, the other information that we find on each individual element is the atomic number, the symbol, the name of the element, and the average atomic mass. We realize that our periodic table is arranged horizontally by increasing atomic number from left to right, and vertically by the number of periods. As we also realize that each column is dependent upon the number of valence electrons that are found within. The periodic table is also divided into three groups of elements. The elements on the left-hand side are metals, and on our right-hand side, we have our non-metals, which I will abbreviate by NM. There is a third group of elements that are called the metalloids. The metalloids are found along the stair-step line. They have characteristics of both metals and non-metals. All the elements on the stair-step line are metalloids except for aluminum. Aluminum is considered a pure metal. Generally, we can say that the further you go to the left, the more metallic a substance begins. The further you go to the right, the more non-metallic it becomes. Generally, we can say that metals will have 3 or less electrons in their outer energy level, or 3 or less valence electrons. They tend to have the following characteristics. They're malleable, ductile, they're good conductors of heat and electricity, they have a high density, high melting and boiling points, they're shiny, they're hard. Non-metals, on the other hand, are all the things that metals are not. They're brittle, poor conductors of heat and electricity, they have low density and low melting and boiling points. Metalloids, again across our stair-step line, tend to have characteristics of both metals and non-metals. Some, such as arsenic, have allotropes. One is metallic, which is gray, and the other, which is non-metallic, which is yellow. Metalloids are often considered semiconductors. Therefore, they're very well used in computer industries. The periodic table is divided horizontally in lines which are called periods, which correspond to the energy levels. They're represented by the numbers that you see on the side. Vertical columns or groups or families are associated by the number of valence electrons. The members within a column or a group are very, very similar. They have many of the same characteristics. One of our first families is the alkali metal family, which is found under column 1A.